Is your internet suddenly slow? Do your videos buffer even though your package is fast? There's a high chance someone else is secretly using your Wi-Fi, or worse, trying to hack into your network. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 8 simple settings that will make your Wi-Fi fully secure, so no hacker, neighbor, or unknown device can ever break in. Let's start. Before fixing anything, let's find out who is actually using your Wi-Fi. Step 1. Open any browser on your phone or laptop. Type 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Login page will appear. Default username password is usually admin or admin password. Go to Connected Devices or Device List. If you see any device you don't recognize, that means someone is inside your network right now. Alright, change your Wi-Fi password the correct way. Most people use very weak passwords, like 123456778, password 123, ABCD 123, 78678. These can be cracked in a minute. Strong password formula, 12 characters or more, capital plus small letters, numbers, symbols. Example, Mendit Tech Secure 2025. This one change blocks most amateur hackers instantly. 3. Switch security mode to WPA3, best protection. Go to your router's wireless settings, security. If you see these options, WEP, very weak, WPA, WPA2, WPA3, select WPA3. If WPA3 isn't available, choose WPA2 PSK. This upgrade alone stops over 80% of hacking attempts. Number 4. Turn off WPS, a big security risk. WPS is the easiest way hackers break into home Wi-Fi. If WPS is on, hackers can crack your password with a simple brute force tool. Steps: Advanced wireless settings. WPS disable. After turning WPS off, your network becomes much harder to hack. Change your router login password, not the Wi-Fi password. If someone gets your Wi-Fi password, they can also log into your router and take full control. So change the router's admin login details. Steps: Go to System Tools, Password/Administration. Change both username and password. Example, username, Mendit admin, password, secure panel at 01. Now even if someone gets your Wi-Fi password, they can't access your router. Enable MAC address filtering. Only your devices can connect. MAC filtering means only devices you approve can connect, even if they know the password. Steps: Open Connected Devices section. Copy MAC addresses of your phone, laptop, smart TV. Go to MAC Filter, Access Control. Select Allow Only Listed Devices. Add your devices. Now your Wi-Fi is locked to your devices only. No one else can join. Hide your Wi-Fi network. Optional but strong. If your Wi-Fi name is visible, hackers can try attacking it. If it's hidden, they can't even find it. Steps: Wireless settings. SSID broadcast off. You will manually add the network on your devices. This creates an extra layer of security. Create a guest network for visitors. Don't give your main Wi-Fi password to guests. Their infected devices can bring malware into your network. Steps: Enable guest network, set low speed, block access to router settings. Use a different password. Now your guests have internet, but your main network stays safe. If you apply these 8 settings, your Wi-Fi is now highly secure, faster, and completely protected from unwanted users and hackers. If you want more simple, practical tech guides like this, like the video, share it, and subscribe to Mendit Tech. See you in the next one.